Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Amazfit GTR 2 is probably one of the most stylish smartwatches you can get without breaking the bank. It offers a premium design with a vibrant AMOLED display, packed with features like heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, and a long-lasting battery. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a sleek everyday wearable, the Amazfit GTR 2 has a lot to offer. Let's dive in and see what makes it so special. Number 5. Amazfit GTS 4 Mini Smartwatch. This watch supports 5 satellite positioning systems, helping you explore the outdoors. It uses circularly polarized antenna technology for improved positioning performance and accuracy. It's also water-resistant up to 50 meters. Easily set alarms, ask questions, and get translations with Amazon Alexa. The watch runs on the smooth and efficient Zepp OS, featuring over 10 mini-apps to enhance your daily life. With a single tap, you can test your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and stress levels in just 45 seconds. It also provides in-depth sleep quality monitoring to help you stay on top of your health. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, or doing yoga, this fitness tracker watch has a sports mode for you. It also smartly recognizes 7 different sports, so you can jump right into action. With a water resistance grade of 5 atm, you can wear this watch while swimming. It has pool swimming and open water swimming modes to track your data scientifically. This compact smartwatch packs a powerful battery, offering 15 days of typical use and up to 45 days in battery saver mode. It's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. What we like. This watch boasts incredibly accurate GPS, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. It also has Alexa built in, so you can easily manage your day with voice commands. If you are an outdoor enthusiast or someone who values convenience, this watch is an excellent choice. What people say. Its battery is amazing. And it charges so fast. And it lasts easily for over a week, at least. It has all the same features as the name brands and probably half the cost. There are lots of different settings you can do with the watch. You are able to make in-app purchases to add more items to the watch, or change the face of the watch. Number 4. Amazfit BIP 6 Smartwatch 46mm. This watch features a lightweight aluminum build that blends style with workout durability. The 1.97 AMOLED display keeps your data easy to read, even in bright sunlight. This fitness tracker offers 140+ workout modes, including Hyrox race and strength training. It also provides personalized AI coaching and 50 water resistance. This smartwatch powers through your training and recovery for up to 2 weeks at a time. You don't need to charge it every night. Stay on course with free downloadable maps and turn-by-turn directions. Support from 5 satellite systems ensures precise tracking of every move and fast GPS connection. This smartwatch provides precise, real-time monitoring of heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, and stress. It empowers you with actionable insights to optimize your health and fitness. What we like. The watch features a beautiful AMOLED display, making it easy to see your stats even in bright sunlight. It also offers exceptional battery life, so you can track your activities for days without charging. If you are looking for a stylish and long-lasting fitness tracker with accurate GPS, this is the one for you. What people say. The watch has a beautiful design. The battery life is amazing. The watch has a lot of features. Number 3. Amazfit TRX 3 Rugged Smartwatch. This watch features an ultra-bright AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. It makes it easy to read maps and workout data in any light. Night mode and glove mode enhance visibility for clear viewing. Engineered with a 316L stainless steel bezel, this rugged smartwatch can withstand extreme temperatures. It is water-resistant to 328 feet and can be used for freediving to a depth of 147 feet. The Amazfit TRX 3 offers over 3 weeks of power with typical use. It can last up to 180 hours in GPS mode, providing long-lasting performance for your outdoor activities. This smartwatch provides free global maps with dual-band positioning. 6 satellite systems offer fast, accurate GPS connections and precise turn-by-turn navigation, so you will never get lost. This fitness watch offers 170+ workout modes and AI-generated training plans. It provides real-time updates to guide your fitness journey, from hiking to surfing. What we like. This watch is built tough, ready to withstand extreme conditions. It also has an incredibly long battery life, perfect for extended outdoor adventures. If you like hiking, camping, or any activity that demands durability and long battery life, you should consider this watch. What people say. The watch has a beautiful design. The battery life is amazing. It has a lot of features. Number 2. Amazfit BIP5 Unity Smartwatch 46mm. Introducing the Amazfit BIP5 Unity. It features a lightweight stainless steel frame, making it both stylish and durable for everyday wear. Enjoy up to 11 days of battery life with typical use, or even longer in battery saver mode. You won't have to worry about constantly recharging this device. Stay active with over 120 sports modes. Plus, access a wide range of mini apps and games through the enhanced Zepp OS 3.0. This watch tracks your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and sleep quality. It also provides sedentary reminders to keep you moving. Gain valuable insights into your sleep patterns, including deep sleep, REM, and light sleep. It even tracks daytime naps. Easily connect with apps like Strava and Apple Health to share your health and fitness data. This allows you to track your progress and stay motivated. What we like. The watch features a stylish stainless steel design that looks great on your wrist. It also offers impressive battery life, so you don't have to worry about constant charging. If you are looking for a stylish smartwatch with a long battery life and access to a wide range of apps, this is a great option. What people say. Well made. Comfortable. Long-lasting battery. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46mm. This watch offers body composition data right on your wrist. You can get readings on body fat, skeletal muscle, body water, basal metabolic rate, and body mass index, all on your own schedule. Wake up feeling refreshed with advanced sleep tracking. When you go to bed, the watch starts monitoring your sleep and SpO2 levels continuously. This helps you understand your sleep patterns. Take care of your heart with accurate ECG monitoring. It can keep an eye on possible atrial fibrillation. You can share personalized readings with your doctor using the Samsung Health Monitor app. Get the most out of every exercise session with advanced workout tracking. It recognizes 6 popular activities automatically. Stay motivated by connecting to live coaching sessions or group challenges. Improve your runs with advanced running coaching technology. VO2 max readings assess your oxygen levels to manage and track your heart and lung endurance. This helps you push your limits. Tap into the power and convenience of select Google services and apps right from your wrist. You can pay for coffee, get directions, and use Bixby or Google Assistant for help. Stream your favorite tunes on YouTube. This watch works as an extension of your phone so you can do more while on the go. You can talk, text, stream music and more just by tapping it on your wrist. What we like. This watch offers advanced health features, including body composition analysis and ECG monitoring. It also provides detailed sleep tracking to help you improve your rest. If you are serious about your health and want a smartwatch that provides in-depth health insights, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The watch has a beautiful design and looks very elegant. The battery life is amazing, lasting for several days on a single charge. The watch has a lot of features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and various sports modes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.